how to open a case on Etsy. In this video, you would learn how you can open a case on Etsy. So if this is your question, ensure you watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into Etsy.com. Once you're signed in, this is the home page, and then once you're on this home page, next step is to navigate through to your account by moving to the top right corner of the screen. By the top right corner of the screen, you can see 5 icons, which include favorites, updates, shop manager, your account, and then cards. Just go ahead and click on your account. Once you click on it, a box would be displayed. In this box, the next step is to select purchases and reviews. Now, once you've selected purchases and reviews, you would see all of your purchases here. That is all of the orders you've made. Currently, I have not made any orders. That is why this page is being displayed. Now you can see purchases, and then you can see cases here, right? Now, for you to be able to open a case, you have to select the order that you're interested in. All right, once you've selected the order you're interested in, you'll be able to by the right side of the screen, you see the more options button. Once you see this more options button, ensure you click on it. Once you click on it, you'll see the option help. All right, once you click on help, you'll be directed on that page. On this page, scroll down, then select still need help. After selecting still need help, select yes, I want to open a case, and then a box or a window will pop up in the middle of your screen. When this window pops up, choose your reason for opening a case and select next. When you select next, another page will be displayed where you will be asked to provide the supporting details for your case. Provide these details and click on submit, and just like that, that case would be opened on your Etsy account. All right, so I hope this video is understandable. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.